The get and set accessors are used to control how properties are accessed and modified. The get accessor returns the value of the property, while the set accessor assigns a value to it. These accessors can be defined explicitly with logic or used in auto-implemented properties where the compiler handles the underlying field. When using auto-implemented properties, the syntax is shorter and cleaner. It is also possible to restrict access by making one of the accessors private or protected. This allows the property to be read from outside the class but only modified within it. Custom logic can be added to either accessor to control how values are retrieved or assigned, such as validating input before storing it. Properties can also be made read-only by including only a get accessor, or write-only by including only a set accessor, though write-only properties are less common. Overall, get and set provide a structured and flexible way to work with class fields while maintaining encapsulation.